This is the GNC Mega Man Plus 30. So this has basically supplements in it for men that are over 30. There's a multivitamin support, stress support, sexual health, liver health, and bone health. And each one of these comes in this nice little packet here. If I open it up, you can see, it's pretty nicely packaged. I will open this one up. Real simple, you just open it up and pour it out. Now the multivitamins are getting increasingly more recommended by doctors. Even when I went to have my physical, my doctor really highly recommended that I take a multivitamin because they're actually finding that people that take multivitamins, with the studies they've done over the years for a long period of time, that they're less likely to get dementia. So that's a big deal. Also, it just fills in all those other little things that you don't get it from your diet, because in the US we have just terrible food. So multivitamin is definitely a good idea. There's also a stress support complex in here that is with theanine that basically helps your brain. Sexual health, you have arginine and some other stuff that increases nitric oxide, blood vessel, blood flow, all that stuff. Liver health as well, milk thistle, things like that, just to support a healthy liver. And you also have bone health, which is like D3, calcium, and things like that. There's also a bunch of other stuff in there, but that's like the high level things. So this is the packet. It's really simple. I like that, they're just in little packets. You just rip it open, take it with you. I like to take mine with food. So yeah, there it is. There's the package. GNC, they're going to be good. GNC.